Box Office King because of the record-breaking box office returns of the movie Five Breakups and a Romance, which became one of the top grossers of 2023. Although it was shown and released during the time of struggle for Philippine cinema, he has managed to bring back the viewers back to the movie houses. 2023's box office king, congratulations, Alvin Richard!
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is James Mendoza.
Taas ko lang po yung mic. Baba po. Ayan. Ano po sa lahat? So po magpasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation and of course to the award-giving body para po sa recognition na ito. Hindi ko po ito sasarilinin dahil marami po kaming parte ng pelikulang Five Breakups and a Romance. So nagpapasalamat po ako first and foremost po to GMA Pictures, to Cornerstone Studios, and Myriad Entertainment. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta, sa lahat po ng black screening for Five Breakups, sa mga supporters ko po, maraming salamat para sa inyo to. And syempre, I would like to also to share this award sa aming pong director at writer na si Direk Irene Villamor, and sa aking pong very supportive at nakaparehang sa pelikula po na si Julia Montes. Para sa ito Direk, and maraming salamat po. I didn't expect na in a span of little more than a decade of my career na magkakaroon po ako ng recognition when it comes to the box office. So this is a blessing, and sana po marami rin po akong ma-inspire pang ibang mga aktor na kagaya ko na gumawa ng mga kalidad na pelikula, at ang maging intention po lagi at ang kanilang motivation is to bring back the glory days of Philippine cinema para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, and syempre para sa industriya na pinagkakautangan po nating lahat ng malaking utang na loob. Muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.